Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Talks, your trusted space for English learning, personal growth, and unstoppable motivation. Today's topic is one that can change everything. Your habits, your confidence, your future. It's called How to Build an Unstoppable Mindset. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever felt stuck? Like no matter how hard you try, something pulls you back? Maybe it's fear. Maybe it's doubt. Maybe it's the voice in your head saying, I'm not good enough. That voice is not your truth. It's your limit. And today, we're going to break that limit. Because here's the truth. Success doesn't start with money, talent, or luck. It starts with mindset. The way you think determines the way you live. And if you build an unstoppable mindset, you can overcome anything. Language barriers, financial struggles, emotional pain, anything. Let me tell you a story. There was a boy named Aman. He lived in a small town. His English was weak. His confidence was low. Every time he tried to speak, people laughed. So he stopped trying. He stayed quiet. He stayed small. But one day he watched a video. A simple message, your voice matters. Something clicked. He decided to change. Not his accent. Not his grammar. His mindset. He started speaking, slowly, imperfectly, but consistently. He practiced every day. He made mistakes. He kept going. And after 6 months, he wasn't just speaking English. He was inspiring others. Not because he was perfect, but because he was unstoppable. That's the power of mindset. So how do you build it? Let's break it down. Step 1. Decide who you want to become. Not what you want to achieve. Who you want to be. Do you want to be confident? Disciplined? Focused? Kind? Strong? Your identity shapes your actions. So choose your identity. Say it out loud. I am a confident English speaker. I am a disciplined learner. I am a powerful communicator. Speak it until you believe it. Step 2. Protect your thoughts. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant negativity, you grow fear. If you plant positivity, you grow power. So protect your thoughts. Don't let doubt live rent-free in your mind. When a negative thought comes, challenge it. Replace it. Speak truth. Say, I am learning. I am growing. I am improving. Step 3. Build daily habits. Mindset is not built in one moment. It's built in daily action. Wake up early. Practice English. Read something uplifting. Move your body. Track your progress. These habits are your foundation. They create momentum, and momentum creates belief. Step 4. Surround yourself with strength. Your environment matters. If you're surrounded by negativity, you'll absorb it. If you're surrounded by growth, you'll reflect it. Follow inspiring people. Watch motivational videos. Join communities that lift you. Your circle shapes your mindset. Step 5. Embrace discomfort. Growth is uncomfortable. Speaking English in front of others is scary. Trying something new is hard. But discomfort is not danger, it's development. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, your mindset expands. So lean into the challenge. Say, this is hard, and that's why I'm doing it. Step 6. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Perfection is a trap. It keeps you stuck. Progress is movement. It builds confidence. So celebrate your small wins. One new word learned. One sentence spoken. One video watched. These are victories. Honor them. Step 7. Practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts your energy. It turns stress into strength. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Your breath, your family, your opportunity to learn. Gratitude builds resilience, and resilience builds an unstoppable mindset. Step 8. Visualize your future. Close your eyes. See yourself speaking English fluently, leading a team, inspiring others, living your dream life. Visualization creates belief, and belief creates reality. If you can see it, you can move toward it. Step 9. Take action, even when you're afraid. Fear is normal, but action is power. Don't wait to feel ready. Speak the sentence. Send the message. Start the project. Action breaks fear. It builds courage. It creates momentum. Step 10. Never give up. This is the most important step. Never give up. No matter how slow your progress, no matter how many mistakes, no matter how many setbacks, keep going, keep growing, because every step forward builds your mindset. Every challenge strengthens your spirit. Every day you show up, you become more unstoppable. Now let's talk about the emotional side of mindset. Because mindset is not just about thinking strong, it's about feeling strong. And to feel strong, you must learn how to handle your emotions. Let me tell you about a girl named Nisha. She was learning English, and every time she made a mistake, she felt embarrassed. Her cheeks turned red. Her heart raced. She thought, I'm not smart enough. That emotion, shame, was controlling her mindset. But one day she learned something powerful. Emotions are signals, not sentences. They tell you what's happening inside, but they don't define who you are. So she started observing her emotions. When she felt nervous, she said, "This means I care." When she felt fear, she said, "This means I'm growing." She stopped running from her emotions. She started using them. And that shift made her unstoppable. You must do the same. Don't fight your emotions. Understand them, use them. Let fear become fuel. Let doubt become drive. Let pain become power. Now let's talk about language learning, because many of your viewers are English learners. And mindset is everything in language. If you believe English is hard, it becomes hard. If you believe you're too old, too slow, too weak, you'll stay stuck. But if you say, I'm improving every day, I'm brave enough to speak, I'm proud of my progress, your brain starts to believe it. And when your brain believes, your tongue follows. So here's a challenge for your audience. Every morning, look in the mirror and say one sentence in English. Doesn't matter if it's perfect. Doesn't matter if it's short. Just speak and say this: I am becoming fluent. I am becoming confident. I am becoming unstoppable. Because the more you speak, the more you grow. The more you grow, the more you believe. And the more you believe, the more you achieve. Now let's talk about setbacks. Everyone faces setbacks. You'll miss a day. You'll forget a word. You'll feel tired. That's normal. But here's the difference between a strong mindset and a weak one. A weak mindset quits. A strong mindset adjusts. If you fall, get up. If you forget, relearn. If you fail, restart. Don't let one bad day become a bad week. Don't let one mistake become your identity. You are not your failure. You are your comeback. Let me give you a powerful example. There was a man named Tariq. He wanted to become a motivational speaker, but he had a stutter. People laughed. He stayed silent for years. But one day he decided, I will speak. Even if I stutter. Even if I shake. Even if I cry. He started small. One sentence. Then one speech. Then one stage. Today he speaks to thousands. Not because he's perfect, but because he's unstoppable. That's the mindset you need. Now let's talk about building mental strength. Mental strength is like physical strength. You build it through resistance, through repetition, through recovery. Here are 5 exercises to build mental strength. Daily affirmations. Speak powerful sentences to yourself. I am strong. I am focused. I am growing. Say them with emotion. Say them with belief. Cold exposure. Take a cold shower. It's uncomfortable, but it trains your brain to handle stress, to stay calm under pressure. Silence practice. Sit in silence for 5 minutes. No phone, no music. Just breathe. Listen to your thoughts. This builds awareness. Challenge yourself. Do one hard thing every day. Speak in English. Wake up early. Say no to junk food. These small wins build confidence. Reflect and journal. Write down your thoughts, your wins, your struggles, your lessons. Journaling clears your mind and strengthens your focus. Now let's talk about identity. Your mindset is shaped by your identity. If you see yourself as weak, you act weak. If you see yourself as strong, you act strong. So change your identity, not by force, but by choice. Say this: I am not just learning English. I am becoming a communicator. I am not just waking up early. I am becoming disciplined. I am not just reading books. I am becoming wise. Identity creates behavior. Behavior creates results. Results create belief. And belief creates an unstoppable mindset. Let's go even deeper. You must learn to forgive yourself, because guilt is a heavy weight. And you can't run fast when you're carrying shame. If you made a mistake, forgive yourself. If you failed, forgive yourself. If you hurt someone, apologize and forgive yourself. Forgiveness is not weakness. It's freedom. It clears your mind. It opens your heart. It strengthens your spirit. And finally, you must learn to dream big, because small dreams create small energy. Big dreams create big fire. Don't just say, I want to speak English. Say, I want to inspire the world with my words. Don't just say, I want to earn money. Say, I want to build a legacy. Your dream is your fuel. Protect it, feed it, fight for it. Because when your dream is strong, your mindset becomes unstoppable. So now you understand what it truly means to build an unstoppable mindset. It's not about being perfect. It's not about being fearless. It's about being consistent, being courageous, being committed to your growth no matter what. You see, the world will always throw challenges at you: doubt, failure, criticism, fear. But when your mindset is strong, you don't break. You bend, you adapt, you rise. Because you've trained your mind to focus on progress, not perfection. On action, not excuses. On belief, not fear. And here's the truth. You already have everything you need inside you. The strength, the wisdom, the fire. You just need to unlock it. And that begins with one decision. I will not quit. I will not shrink. I will not stay silent. I will speak. I will grow. I will become unstoppable. So speak your English. Speak your truth. Speak your future into existence. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. This is Mr. English Talks, reminding you that your voice matters, your growth matters, and your journey is just beginning. Keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay focused, stay fearless, and stay unstoppable.